All right, I just wanted to show you guys this works. You hit this switch right here, and that opens it up just like that. And then when you put it back down, it does that. So it is working. Batteries will not be included. I'm going to take the battery out. I just wanted to test it so I could show you guys. The battery goes in right here on the side. Everything is good to go. It does have the original packaging here, but it has been taken out. I don't know if it's ever been used, so I'm selling it as pre-owned to be safe. Thanks for watching.